How to sign up Chase.com account. Open any web browser on your device. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in www.chase.com. Now press enter on the keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of Chase.com. Now here, click on sign up button at the bottom left corner of the screen. On this sign up section, you can either continue with Google, Apple, or you can also continue with email. So wait until the section has been loading. So click on sign up button here, and here you need to first choose the Chase skill level, whether you are new to Chase, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So let's click on new to Chase and click the continue button. Now enter your email and the password. Now enter your password. After that, click on the continue button. So here, remember you must have at least 8 characters, otherwise your criteria doesn't meet to enter the password. Once you are done, click on the continue button. Now enter your username for your account. Now click on continue button again. If you wish to save your password, click save, otherwise click on the never button. And here you need to choose your chessboard theme. After that, click continue button. And here you can connect with your friends who play chess. You can invite your Facebook friends or you can send email invitation. You can also search by name or username. For now, let's click on later button. If you wish to signing up includes 1 free week of premium, you can click redeem 1 week free. For now, let's select no thank you. Again, no thank you. And now you have successfully created your account on Chase.com. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.